Everyone, today I am going to explain the mind map of the lesson Cell, the unit of life. What is a cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell. In unicellular organism, single cell performs all the essential functions of life. While in multicellular organisms, different kinds of tissue perform different function and have division of labor. Robert Brown later discovered the nucleus. Cell theory. Matthias Schleiden in 1838 observed that plants are composed of cells. Theodor Schwann in 1839 reported that cells had thin outer layer called plasma membrane. Schleiden and Schwann formulated the cell theory, which was later modified by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. Later, the cell theory became the universally accepted fact. An overview of cell. Each cell is a dense membrane-bound structure called nucleus. Semi-fluid matrix called cytoplasm occupies the volume of cell. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell, and the ostrich egg is the largest isolated cell of mycoplasma. The shape of cell may be cuboidal, columnar, polygonal, thread-like or irregular. Prokaryotic cell. Membrane-bound nucleus is absent. Cells are smaller in size. Single chromosome is present. Membrane-bound organelles are absent. Bacterial cells may be bacillus, rod-shaped, coccus, spherical-shaped, vibrio, coma-shaped and spiralium spiral-shaped, or of different shapes. Cell envelope and its modification. Bacterial cells have a complex cell envelope which consists of three layers: the outermost glycocalyx, middle cell wall, and the innermost cell membrane. The glycocalyx may be loose sheath called slime layer. They may be thick and tough called capsule. Pili or elongated tubular structure made up of protein. Fimbriae or small bristle-like structure. Ribosome and inclusion bodies. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are associated with the plasma membrane of the cell. It is attached with the cell membrane having two subunits, 50S and 30S, to form together 70S. Inclusion bodies. Reserve material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm as cell inclusion bodies, which may contain phosphate granules, glycogen, granules, etc. Gas vacuoles are found in blue, green, purple, and green photosynthetic bacteria. Eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotes include all the protist, plants, animals, and fungi. It have membrane-bound organelles, nucleus with nuclear envelope. All eukaryotic cells are not identical. They have two cells, plant cell and animal cell. Difference between plant and animal cell. Plant and animal cells are different as the former possess cell wall, plastid, and a large central vacuole, which are absent in animals. On the other hand, animal cells have centrioles, which are absent in almost all plants. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is mainly composed of lipids and proteins. Cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane. It is semi-permeable. The cell membrane possesses proteins and carbohydrates. The membrane of erythrocyte have 52% of protein and 40% of lipids. Types of lipids in cell membrane. Phospholipid is the major lipid. Polar head in outward, non-polar tail in inward. Non-polar tail is towards inwards so that it is protected from the aqueous environment. Two types of cell membrane. peripheral, which lies in the surface of membrane, integral, which is buried in the membrane. Main function of plasma membrane is the transport of molecules across it. Two types of transport: passive transport and active transport. Passive transport: no energy is needed for transport of molecules. The four main types of passive transport are simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, filtration, and osmosis. Active transport requires cellular energy to achieve this movement. There are two types of active transport: primary and secondary active, which uses an electrochemical gradient. Cell wall. It is a non-living, rigid outer covering for plasma membrane. It gives shape to cell and also help in cell to cell interaction. The middle lamella is a layer mainly of calcium pictate which glues the different neighboring cells together. Endomembrane system. The endomembrane system includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles as their functions are coordinated. Since the functions of mitochondria and chloroplast and peroxisomes are not coordinated with the other components, these are not considered as a part of endomembrane system. Endoplasmic reticulum. Network or reticulum of tiny tubular structure scattered in cytoplasm, that is called endoplasmic reticulum. Two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached in outer surface. Synthesis of protein and secretion are the functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are not attached. Synthesis of liquid is the main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus consists of many flat, disc-shaped sacs or cisternae. They are parallel to each other. The Golgi cisternae have convex cis and concave trans. These both are different but interconnected. Endoplasmic reticulum fuses with the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus and moves towards the maturing phase when packaging takes place. Glycoproteins and glycolipids are synthesized here. Lysosomes. These are membrane-bound vesicular structures. It is formed by the process of packaging in the Golgi apparatus. The vesicles rich in lipases, proteases, and carbohydrates. Vacuoles. Membrane-bound space found in cytoplasm. It contains products not useful for cell. The vacuole is bound by a single membrane called tonoplast. Contractile vacuole is present in amoeba, which is important for osmoregulation and excretion. In protist, food vacuole is formed by engulfing food particles. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are cylindrical or sausage-shaped double-membraned organelles distributed in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria are surrounded by two membranes designated as outer and inner membrane. Mitochondria are main sites of aerobic respiration. They are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Plastids. Plastids are found in all plant cells and in euglenoids, etc. They are large under microscope. They are of three types: leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. Leucoplast, colorless plastids, generally acquire nucleus is non-green cell. Granum is absent. Chromoplast, yellow, orange or reddish in color because of the presence of carotenoid pigments. Chloroplast, they are greenish plastids which possess photosynthetic pigments, chlorophylls and carotenoids and take part in the synthesis. Ribosomes. Ribosomes were discovered by George Palade in 1953 in the animal cell. They were observed under electron microscope as dense particles present in the cytoplasm. The ribosomes are composed of two subunits. Larger ribosomes has the dome-like structure, smaller ribosomes has a cap-like structure. Ribosomes are site of protein synthesis. Cytoskeleton. It is made up of extremely minute fibrous, filamentous and tubular proteinaceous structures which form the structural framework inside the cell. The cytoskeleton acquires only in eukaryotic cells. It is involved in many functions such as mechanical support, mobility, maintenance of the shape of the cell. Cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella are fine hair-like outgrowths of the membrane. Cilia are smaller structures that work like cars. This activity of cilia turns the movement of either the cell or the surrounding fluid. On the other hand, flagella are comparatively longer and are responsible for a movement. Flagella are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells but are structurally different. Centrosome and centrioles. Centrosome is an organelle usually containing two cylindrical structures called centrioles, which are surrounded by a cloud of amorphous pericentriolar material called centrosphere or kinoplasm. These two centrioles called diplosome are located in the centrosome at right angles to each other. The centrioles are found in almost all the eukaryotic cells like animal cell, fungi and algae, but not found in higher plant cells. Nucleus. Nucleus is a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown as early as 1831. Later, the material of the nucleus obtained by the basic dyes was given the name chromatin by Fleming. Nucleus is a relatively large organelle controlling the activities of the eukaryotic cells. Some cells have more than one nucleus. Multinucleate ones have many nuclei. Some cells lack nucleus. Structure of a chromosome. A chromosome consists of two identical halves, the chromatids, which are held together at one point called centromere. On one side of centromere, disc-shaped structure are present known as kinetochores. Chromosomes are classified into four types: metacentric chromosome, submetacentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome and telocentric chromosome. The part of the chromosome beyond the secondary constriction is called satellite. Microbodies. Many single membrane bound minute vesicles called microbodies that contain various enzymes were present in both plant and animal cells. They are associated with oxidation reaction other than those of respiration. Peroxisomes, spherosomes, glyoxysomes. Thank you.